If you ship multiple orders to the same customer during the months, invoicing can turn into a messy end-of-month chase. We are the company Cronus FR. We want an agent that will check every order that has been shipped to the client, which we can now invoice. If we go to Business Central and open the sales order table, we can see that there's plenty in July, and those which have been shipped with the yes in completed shipped. Check all of those, and if they have not been invoiced, to create one single consolidated invoice per client with all the different detail of the shipments. Let's go to CloudStation. Since the first episode, you already have connected your Business Central accounts and your Outlook to CloudStation, so no need to do it again. Let's create a new project and a new conversation, and ask Charlie to create a specialized Business Central agent, which will every 21st of each month at 3 p.m. Paris French time, will fully autonomously do those actions and never wait for any human approval, as it is an automation. First, check all shipments received by each client that are shipped but not yet invoiced. Before creating anything, check for older draft invoices that were not posted. This is if we already have drafted something but never posted it, we need to tackle this. So if there is no old draft, create a single draft invoice per client covering all of their uninvoiced shipped orders. However, if old draft exists and already contain all of the client's uninvoiced shipped order, we will keep it as is. No need to duplicate it. And the last one is if old draft exists but the client has new shipped order since the previous time, we will delete the first old draft and then create a new one covering the entire scope of the uninvoiced shipped orders. Invoices stay as drafts. They won't be posted. A human responsible needs to review them before being posted. And then once it's done, send one short email recap. Keep it minimal, not long. Focus only on the draft invoices created or found, and in a compact table with the client name, draft invoice ID, link if you can, total amounts, and the shipment IDs included. She analyzed the request and needs some clarification. She asked me to which email address she should send the recap email and which scope. Send to the contact@CloudStation.io, and the scope is all clients of Cronus FR. She did it. Your Business Central specialist is live and scheduled, so every 21st at 3 p.m. Paris time, we will automatically find each Cronus FR client shipped but uninvoiced order, create, keep or rebuild one draft invoice per client, draft only, never posted, and email a compact recap to this email address. All fully autonomous, no approval needed on the road time. Perfect. Let's check the schedule. If we go to the tools panel of CloudStation and then click schedule, we can find here all the different schedule of my project. Here is the new one, the only one that I have in this project, the Business Central monthly draft invoice. And if I click on it, I can see the detail. You can see the description. You can see that it's every 21st of each month at 3 p.m. Paris time. And the next launch of this schedule will be the 21st of July at 3 p.m. Let's wait for 3 p.m. Okay, 3 p.m. has passed already. You can see here the execution history panel that we can see one execution has been successfully launched 4 minutes ago. It should be still ongoing. Let's click on the icon of the chat to see what the agents are doing. You can see it's already started, and we will wait until it's finished. The agents are finished. Charlie said it's done. July 2026 pass is completed. All invoices remain draft, nothing posted. And here the recap table in the email. We have 3 clients with shipped but uninvoiced order, the same that we saw previously in Business Central. And we have the draft invoice ID, and we have also the value of each invoice. So 6600, 2200, almost 2200 as well. And we have also the ID of the related shipment. For the first one, you can see we have 4 shipments, so from the 18 to the 21, 18, 19, 20, and 21. And for the second one, we have only 2 shipments, 10, 23, 22, and 23. And for School of Fine Art, we have also 4 shipments from 10, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Total of draft, 11,000 euros for 3 clients. And she said the email has been sent. Let's check our inbox to see the email. Here the email, we can see Business Central draft invoice, July 2026. This month's Business Central draft invoice for Kranus FR. All invoice remain drafts and unposted. This will remain a manual action. Same table as previously. Now let's check on Business Central for the 3 different draft invoices and the related shipment. Now let's check out the sales invoices. And we can see here 3 that has been created today. Same idea that she communicated in the email, 10, 23, 41, 42, and 43 for the 3 clients. Let's open once. Let's check out the tray research invoice related to only 2 shipments, 10, 23, 22, and 23, with a total of 8 products and a value a little less than 2,000 euros. Let's check out now the sales shipment, just to check if the invoice is correct. Let's open the 10, 23, 22 with the 4 chair, and the second one, the 23, with the 2 solar panel and 2 lamp, with the same information that we had in the invoice. Now the automation is set up, we don't have to do it again and just wait for the email that we will receive on the 21st of each month to review all the different invoices and then to validate and post them if they are okay. The capabilities. Charlie can run automatically every month a workflow. She can identify shipped orders, pending invoicing in Business Central. She also prevents duplicating invoices by checking existing drafts. She can generate 1 consolidated draft invoice per customer. She kept everything in draft for finance review and then send an email summary with the customer invoice ID and information. The edges. In this case, Charlie helps us to consolidate multiple shipments into a single customer invoice and prevent duplicating draft invoices while automating repetitive month-end billing tasks. And we still keep finance in control with manual invoice post-approval. And remember, Charlie operates with the same Business Central permission as your accounts. She has no extra permissions.